Hi, my name is Norez and I am going to show you how to wipe data on client machines, workstations, laptops, and servers using NDW network data wiping software. To begin wiping data, we have to initiate a wiping task by using a server graphical user interface. So please go to 192.168.1.253 web interface and then click on Start Wiping. Once you clicked on Start Wiping, please fill the information in the form with the customer ID. The customer ID is identification for all the hard drives that will be tied to this customer ID. You can type in your own customer reference and fill all the information down there, and choose the data destruction selection. Once you have filled all the information and selected all the appropriate options, click Save and submit the form, and now you are ready to begin wiping data. Please make sure all the network devices are connected correctly. Workstations, network switch, server, the management console, and the ZPL printer, they're all interconnected using network cables and USB cables. Now please boot the workstation into PXE boot. Okay, in this video you can see we are booting from LAN, local area network. So this workstation is automatically getting an IP address through NDW server and the small operating system delivered to the wiping station, and it's booting up. So continue to boot the workstation. Continue to boot the workstation into PXE network boot. Once the boot is successful, you will see welcome message on the screen, and the system will continue to prepare itself for data wiping. The wiping workstation time will be synchronized with NDW server, and all the clocks are set to UTC. You will see the current time and date, and it will start detecting the hardware after hardware detection is completed. You will see a graphical user interface showing all the hard drives present in the system, and the system will begin wiping data, as you can see on your screen. This system has 3 hard drives, and the first one is 1.6 gigabyte, 2.1 gigabyte, and so on. It shows the progress, the wiping throughput, the round and the pass. This information is all real time. This also shows the comprehensive information on the next page, and the screens are automatically rotating and displaying comprehensive information as well as the brief information. the status you see here is real time, and this is also updated on the server graphical user interface, and you can also see this information using client machine. You can also see the status using management console, and you can also see the same thing on your mobile phone. So if you have plenty of systems, let's say 100 systems wiping at the same time, all this information is consolidated and displayed on the server GUI and as well as on the management console. We will come to that part later and show you how to view that information. So each system may have plenty of hard drives. So in this case, this system has 3 hard drives. The system may have 20 or maybe 25 or maybe 10 hard drives, and you may have multiple systems wiping at the same time. And as you can see, hard drives are automatically graded. If the hard drive has many bad sectors, the grade will change from A to B and C and so on. And it shows the smart test result. If the hard drive has passed all the tests, it will show passed. And it also shows you how old the hard drive is, how long the hard drive has been used in hours. So the status, current status is showing as well as wiping. And you can also see all the other parameters such as start, stop counts, reallocated sectors, seek errors, and so on. You can also see the throughput of the hard drive while it's wiping, and as well as rounds. And it also shows the information in which this hard drive is installed. So in this case, it's a Dell system, Optiplex, serial number, and so on. So the complete comprehensive information is displayed. Destruction certificates are automatically generated once the hard drive has finished wiping successfully. A thermal label printer is also automatically printed. So the entire solution is completely automated. You don't have to touch keyboard or mouse. All you have to do is just boot the system into Pixie, and the rest is taken care by the NDW software. So NDW software automatically wipes the data, produces certificate, produces reports, as well as grading of the hard drive, printing the barcode labels, and so much more. Once the wiping has finished successfully, the workstation will automatically shut down, and the reports will be visible in backend system using the management console. You can view the current status of that system. It will show either it's failed or it was successful in wiping. Thank you for watching this tutorial.